Hi, I'm Mark Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today you join me on another property tour. We've got this beautiful four-bed detached property. It's in the Priorslee area. It's had a lot of money spent on this. They've converted the garage into a fourth bedroom, stroke study, and they've put an extension on the back, and they've created this amazing kitchen family dining space with an individual kitchen. We've got all the built-in appliances in there that you'd ever need, and then bifolding doors going out onto the rear garden. We've got seating areas in the rear garden as well as a bar as well. It's been beautifully done. The smallest fourth bedroom upstairs, I've actually turned into a walk-in dressing area off bedroom one. You've got an ensuite to bedroom one as well. It really does need to be seen. It's going to be a great family home, this one, and it's close to local amenities and great transport links. So let's get you inside, let you have a look around. Follow me. Okay guys, so there you have it. Hope you agree, this is a lovely property. The extension that they've had done to the rear of the garage and the conversion of the garage and all the works they've done to the back of the property with that great kitchen family dining room. It's an amazing space. It's going to make a great family home for somebody. So if you know anybody that's looking for a property like this, a four bed in the Priorslee area, then reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on, or you can contact me on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it from me guys. I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.